Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the translator and confirming system updates so features work. Once done, open the Translator app or highlight text and tap Translate from the share sheet. You will choose source and target languages. Pick Automatic Detect if unsure. Make sure to grant microphone access for speech and allow camera if you'll translate text and images. This gets you immediately into a ready state. Now tap the input field and either speak, type, or import a photo to create your first translation. Now focus on the translation method. Type short phrases for accuracy or speak clearly for real-time results. For images, frame text and let the camera scan. Use manual selection if auto-detect misses lines. If options appear, choose regional dialect or formal tone to fit context, because that affects wording. For back-and-forth interactions, enable conversation mode and hand the device between speakers or use split screen on iPad. This keeps the exchange fluid and preserves context across turns. Finish by reviewing the translated text and tapping suggested alternatives to refine meaning. Copy or share results when satisfied. If translations lag or fail, force close the app and reopen, then test again. That often clears transient issues. If problems persist, confirm microphone/camera and network permissions because cloud-backed models require online access. As a quick tip, toggle airplane mode, briefly then reconnect to reset network negotiation. This resolves many upload or recognition errors without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.